Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to take control of your finances and build wealth? In today's video, we'll share a step-by-step guide on how to achieve financial freedom. We'll start by discussing the importance of setting clear financial goals. We'll cover the 5 types of financial goals: saving, investing, debt reduction, income growth, and wealth building. We'll explore the 5 key components of your financial foundation: income, expenses, assets, debts, and credit score. We'll provide tips on how to optimize each component. We'll discuss the importance of having multiple income streams and provide ideas on how to create them, such as starting a side hustle, investing in dividend-paying stocks, and creating a passive income portfolio. We'll share strategies on how to manage debt and credit, including the snowball method, the avalanche method, and how to negotiate with creditors. We'll cover the basics of investing and wealth building, including the power of compound interest, the importance of diversification, and how to get started with investing. Achieving financial freedom requires discipline, patience, and persistence. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can take control of your finances and build wealth. We'll dive into advanced wealth-building strategies, including real estate investing, tax-advantaged accounts, alternative investments, building a business. We'll discuss how to manage risk and avoid common pitfalls, including market volatility, inflation, scams, and fraud, emotional decision-making. We'll explore ways to build multiple income streams, including starting a side hustle, investing in dividend-paying stocks, creating a passive income portfolio, renting out a spare room on Airbnb. We'll discuss how to optimize your financial mindset, including overcoming limiting beliefs, building a growth mindset, practicing gratitude and abundance, visualizing your financial goals. Achieving financial freedom requires a combination of knowledge, strategy, and mindset. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can build wealth and achieve your financial goals. We'll discuss the importance of building a community of like-minded individuals who share your financial goals and values. We'll cover how to find and connect with others who share your financial goals, the benefits of joining a financial community, how to participate in online forums and social media groups. We'll provide tips and strategies for staying disciplined and motivated on your financial journey, including how to set accountability partners, the importance of tracking your progress, how to celebrate your financial wins. We'll discuss common financial pitfalls to avoid, including lifestyle inflation, financial emergencies, getting caught up in get-rich-quick schemes. We'll explore the importance of building a financial legacy, including how to create a will and establish beneficiaries, the benefits of setting up a trust, how to create a charitable foundation. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. By following the steps outlined in this video and staying committed to your financial goals, you can achieve financial freedom and build a lasting legacy. We'll explore the power of compound interest and how it can help you build wealth over time. We'll cover the concept of compound interest, how to calculate compound interest, examples of compound interest in action. We'll discuss the benefits of tax-advantaged investing and how to use tax-advantaged accounts to build wealth. We'll cover the different types of tax-advantaged accounts, e.g. 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, how to contribute to tax-advantaged accounts, the benefits of tax-deferred growth. We'll explore the world of real estate investing and how it can help you build wealth. We'll cover the benefits of real estate investing, how to get started in real estate investing, different types of real estate investments, e.g. rental properties, REITs. We'll discuss the importance of building a diversified portfolio and how to achieve it. We'll cover the benefits of diversification, how to create a diversified portfolio, different asset classes and how to invest in them. Building wealth requires patience, discipline, and a solid understanding of personal finance and investing. By following the steps outlined in this video and staying committed to your financial goals, you can achieve financial freedom and build a lasting legacy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content.